Thank you so much for joining. Welcome to Faujis Academy and Willy. Thank you so much. Really grateful to you guys that you have found out time to speak with us. And today we are going to study what? Verbal series. We are almost at the completion of our reasoning portion as well. Maximum 4 more classes from now, except this, or a minimum of 3 classes from now, we'll be done with the entire reasoning part as well. Okay. So what I observed in this topic was that this was not that prevalent during the old times. Okay. I mean the questions that used to be asked in 16, 17 and things like that. Okay. Those sort of AFCAT examination. But when I looked at the papers, the model paper that they have given, 2 papers they have given, and each of them I got 2 questions. So that is like 4 questions, which is an indication of the fact that you can get anywhere between 1 to 2 questions from verbal series in your examination. Okay, there will be 6 shift. So you may get it, you may not get it, you will get it, for sure you will get it. Okay, so in what way, we'll also see that. Okay, and I have also included a little bit of miscellaneous one as well, and miscellaneous one, but specifically the series one, a few of the questions you have already solved it, but we'll be solving it again, right? And another important stuff is that it is very helpful for you in your OIR, whether you are going for SSB, for Army or Navy, or AFSB for Indian Air Force, right? And OIR is important. It's very important. Okay, sir will tell you. Come on, sir. There are 5 bands of OIR. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just make sure that you are in OIR 1. Okay, and you'll be there. Specifically, you'll be there. But you know, if the questions is easy, it will be easy for everybody else, right? And if it's tough, it will be tough for anybody else as well, right, guys? So it's important for, from the SSB point of view, to be in lowest OIR. Anything below that, the chances of getting screened in gets thinner, right? Okay. So this is why this thing is important, not from only from the AFCAT military aptitude and reasoning point of view, but also from your OIR point of view, that will be your screening. Right, guys? So with this, let's jump into our topic for today, and that is verbal series. You all know what do we mean by verbal. Okay. And verbal means, something which has to do with language, and something which is not non-verbal. Okay. As in the case of the figures, the diagrams, and this and that, we studied in the non-verbal portion. Just the opposite of this. And you can have a few types of verbal series. The one is like, numbers. The another one is like maybe alpha, okay, alphabets. The another one is like alphanumeric, okay, alphanumeric. And the next one is like miscellaneous, okay. We'll see to it. Okay, we'll try now classify it then and there itself, like what type is this. Our main intention is to solve at least one of them of each of the types, and most probably we'll have these questions. So a simple Google search of this series, okay, means that a number of events, objects, or people of a similar or related kind coming one after the another. Okay, I'm not a very big fan of using this complex English, but I'm sure that you are getting the sense out of it. Okay, it's a kind of sequence. It's a kind of succession. Succession means what? Those of you are working, there will be, your HRs will have what? Succession planning. That means one person leave. Let's say you joined academy, okay, and you were the engineer, the software engineer, your post is vacant. Okay, so you will probably report to your HR that ma'am or sir, mostly ma'am only, HRs will be ma'am mostly. So you'll tell to them, ma'am, I'm done with your job. I'm so sorry, and I'm going to academy. I'm going to fly airplane now. Yeah. So like that, you will tell to them. Okay. So she will be prepared with, okay, fine, Abhi Karan, okay, fine. Aryan, you are going. Okay, thank you so much. No problem. Thank you so much for your service. But we'll have to look for somebody else, right? Do you know somebody in your opinion who can fit this position? If yes, refer them. Okay. If not, I will do it by myself. Okay. So HR will do the succession planning, that who should be the next person at your place, let's say Abhikaran, or let's say, let's say Christy, or let's say anybody else. Okay, let's say Harita. Okay, so in that place, who should be joining? Okay, so that is your succession. String, and how does this string look like? String is a continuous, okay, it's a kind of physical thing. I mean, it's a rope kind of structure, not structure. I mean, rope, string. String is a very smaller, aspect of, maybe you can say, rope. Okay, chain. How does a chain look like? So chain will look like this. Okay, please pardon my drawing. Okay, so there is some sort of interconnectedness between all these. Okay, so this is what we are going to decipher in this chapter called verbal series. Okay, and this chain we have to think it by ourselves. Okay, by ourselves. This, why in AFCAT, why in defense services examination they focus on this sort of testing, is that it tests your mental capacity, right? In World War II, the was the Axis forces, no? The US side, what was that? Axis or Allied? Guys, okay.
Allied, sir, Allied force.
Yeah, so Allied forces, they broke the communication of Axis forces, the German and the all the sides. Okay, and why? Because they could process the information with human intervention and with intervention from supercomputers, right? And that is why it is important for you to know this, for you to learn this, for you to able to think it in this way, right, guys? So I'm sure you guys are getting the sense, right? Cons concatenation, okay. Concatenation, okay. You learned a new word, okay. And search more about it, okay. I'm not in a position to search it as of now. You please learn concatenation. What is this? Train, what is that? And one more thing. Sorry, guys, sorry. Yeah. So what is this? Run. Run means what? A run will be a continuous affair. Okay, somebody running, things like that. Okay, so they'll be running in some, let's say, ground, or some, straight path, or let's say some zigzag path or something like that. Okay, so it's a continuous event. So a set or sequence of related television or radio programs. So this is also another meaning of series, a set of sequence of related television or radio programs. Okay, series. Okay, our mothers and grandmothers, they'll be like, oh, this series, that series, Kahani, Ghar Ghar Ki, and whatnot. Okay, I mean, and those ones. Okay, those are also called series, right? So set of programs, production, serial, yeah, serial. Gaurav put me that serial on Star Plus or Z or something like that. Okay, it happens in everybody's home, right? Situation, comedy, and things like that. Okay, but just know this meaning. In our perspective, you are supposed to know only this meaning, right? Okay, and apart from that, we have also to learn this meaning called consent. Yes, guys, so apologies for that. Lights went off over here. Okay. So, not a big deal. Let us get this. So we were here, guys, right? Am I visible, audible? Everything clear now? Yes, guys. So let's jump into the question. Question number 2. Yep. Easy one. You just need to know the odd number. That's it. Yes, guys. What do you think about this question?
Option 4.
Option 4, 124. Yep, that's correct. Most probably that's correct. So what is the difference between these two? 11. What is the difference between these two? 13. What is the difference between these two? 17. What is the difference between these two? 19. Right?
Yes, sir.
11, 13, 17, 19. Guys, did you observe that yeah, it's lagging. Did you observe that we don't have a number over here called 15 in between? Okay. So in series, wanted to tell you what are the few things that you should look for. Okay, the differences. Okay, the addition or subtraction in the series that can be in some particular number. Let us say +2, +2, +2, like that. Okay, then it can be even numbers. Okay, it can be the series of even the odd numbers. Okay, watchful, be watchful about this prime numbers. These are the prime numbers, right? And watchful about the squares. Be watchful about the what? Cubes as well. And the similarly, this is the case for positive side. The similarly, it could be the negative side as well. Okay. First of all, in the number series, think it from this perspective. Okay. And another one series, the differences will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and things like that. This is the first level of differences. Then the second level of differences, it could be what? Like this. Okay. Like this. Okay, it's just the first level of differences only. Right. The first level of differences could be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Let us say the number is 10, then 13, then 18, then 25, then 34. This is your series. Okay. In that case, what you see is that the first level of difference is your first level of difference. Okay. This is your how much? Let us say over here is 9. Right. 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And then the second level of difference, when you see, it usually gets equal. Okay. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and things like that. Okay. So you don't need to decipher that. You just need to decipher these. That's it. Okay. So what would be the next prime number to 19? Is it 21? No. 21 is divisible by 7 and 3, guys. Right? So 21 is not your prime number. And what is happening? It's all getting added. So 101 plus 23 is how much? 124, which is your answer. Cool, guys? Cool? Shall we move?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yes. These alphabetical series, not much prevalent, but you might see a question or two in your SSB OIR. Might see. Okay.
Option A, sir.
Okay, option A. For these type of questions, simply start putting the, let's start with D. D, B, A, and D. Yeah. Are we able to make something like that? Over here is AA. Is there any repetition of AA somewhere? No. Okay, AA is here. Okay. AA, at least over here it was supposed to be B. It was over here in place of N, it was supposed to be B. So it won't be, it is highly unlikely that we will have this one. Okay. So D is gone. D is gone. Now let's evaluate C. So C, let's just put all this. B, A, D, N, and A. Right. So we're having what? 3 times A. Can we see 3 more times A over here? No. Or something like AB somewhere. Do we have AB somewhere? Okay, yeah, we have AB here. But AB, BD, AB and A. AB and A, AB. Okay. AB. Okay, this is D, not B. Okay. So this is also not possible, right? You write it down at that point, you will realize that it is also not possible. Okay. Best way is to go with this, or if you can, if you are lucky enough, if you can visualize it, then it's even better. BDA. ABB. Just look at ABB or AAB is there. Okay. Is there anyone anywhere ABB? No, we don't have anywhere ABB. So this is also not possible. One second, guys. Yeah. This is also not possible. And what? Lastly, option A, let's put it A and D, A, A. Okay. You see A, B, A, B, A, B. Okay. Things like that. So A, B, ADN. Okay. AAB, AD, AAB, ADN. Okay. Had there been one AAB, ADN. Does it complete the series, guys? AAB, ADN. Does it complete the series? Okay. Just guess it. Okay, just guess it. Two from here, two from somewhere middle, 2, 3. Just bad. Okay. Is there any repetition of bad? Is there any repetition of A, B, A, and things like that? If it is there, it's good. If it is not there, that's not your option. Right? Right, guys. Can we move to the next questions?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yes, guys. How many of you do not know this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
Option
Y,
B, sir, W.
B. Cool. Anybody else? Others? Keep solving 4950 as well. Okay. So what is the number behind all this? From front, from this hand side. Let me put it in green. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Initially, when you practice these sort of questions, better write it. Okay. In examination, if you have time, then only write it. If you do not have time, don't write it. In SSB, more specifically, they'll be like, okay, fine. If you want to write all the alphabets and the numbers on the top of it, you can write. So you can better write it. Okay, better keep it written. So this is from your starting point from left hand side, and now from the right hand side. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay. Green ones are from left to right and the black ones are from right to left. Okay. What you are supposed to remember is the from left hand side, this stoppage, these are the stops 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25 is your stop. Okay. What is in fifth? E. Remember E. Okay. What is in the 10th? It's J. What is in the 15th? It's O. We are talking about from left to right. Right, guys? Talking about left to right. Is it visible? E, J, O, T, and Y. Remember this. E, J, O, T, Y. What the heck is happening today? Yes. So is it visible? One moment, guys. One moment. Yeah. Okay. So E is at 5, J is at 10, O is at 15, T is at 20, and Y is at 25. Remember it. E, J, O, T, Y. These are your 5 stops. E, J, O, T, Y. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's it. This is from left to right. And now again, let's try to find it out from right to left as well. Okay. So what is the 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25? Which are those? Okay. Fifth one. U, V, V. Then 10th one. 10th one is what? Q. U, Q. And 15th one from left to right is what? L. And 20th one is your G, and 25th one is your B. Okay. View Q, LGBT. Okay. LGBTQ, you remember, like, just remember it that way. Okay. Last three words are LGB. Okay. And then VQ. Last three is LGB. The first two is VQ. Okay. Remember it that way. Right. LGB, not TQ, VQ. Okay. LGB, VQ. Okay. So this is how you will remember. Fifth one you will remember easily, right? Cool. So what is the answer over here? Z is at what position? We don't know. T is at what position? T is from the left. We are going from right to left. From Z to A. We are going from T to Q. Is it in the series Z to T? Z to T. Where is T? T is 1826. Okay. And you have N. T, Q, and N. Okay. Yes, guys, one moment. Z is like at the 26th position. T is at the which position? TQ, TQ, T and Q. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then Z and W. Z and W, there are only two of it. Yes, buddy. what
-2
logic?
combination, sir. Z -2, W -2 T, T -2 Q, Q -2 N, sir.
Okay. Okay, T is here. Sorry, apologies, buddy. This is I. This is I. T is here. So Z, 1, 2, then this one. Okay, then 1, 2, then this one. Then 1, 2, then Q. Okay, then 1, 2, it's this one. I was thinking that I as the T. Okay, anyways, happens. So what is the answer, guys? Over here, W, right? What is happening? -2 series is going on as told by my dear friend. Okay. Thank you so much, buddy. Yes, guys. Question number 49. AI. Then
So +8, +7, +5, plus combination.
yeah. AI. A is at 1. A is at 1. I is at what? Where is I? I is at 9. Then P is at 16. Okay. Then V is at what? Where is V? V is at 22. Then again, after 22 V, then 23, 24, 25, 26. Again, A you will put what? Not 1, 26. Okay. So what we see over here is that 8, this is at
27,
7,
sir.
6. Yeah, 27. Yeah, thanks, buddy. Yeah, this is over here at 5 and +4, right? So what is the +4? 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be your answer? E. Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Yes, sir.
So what option will go ahead with over here? E. Yes, guys, question number 50. Let me erase it all for you. Just remember it, EJOTY. Those of you who have problem in remembering these alphabets, you don't have to remember all the 26 of it. And LGBVQ. Okay. LGBVQ. LGBVQ.
Option A, sir, 50.
BQ. One moment, buddy. Hell, why is it happening today? Just, I want to pick up this. Okay. LGV is the last three. And okay, let me just stick with yellow. Yeah. So LGV BQ. Okay. From this side, it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Those of you want to write it down, those of you want to remember it. And from the left hand side, it's EJOTY. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Yes, buddy. So it looks like over here, B is at 2, A, B, C, D. D is 4.
Sir, A.
Option A you are saying? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And who is that other person who also answered it? Vishnu, you answered it, right? Ajit. Okay. So A, B, G, 1, 2. Again, it is at G is at 7, right? And I is at what position? 9 position. So from here, Y is at what position? 25. W is at what position? 23. U is at what position? 21. S is at 19. So whichever ones is at 17th position. Which one is that? Okay. That is Q. So the first letter we have taken down, that is Q. Okay. Now just for the understanding purpose, I'm telling you, in the exam, obviously, you will be much more quicker than this for obvious reasons. Okay. Now let's take down the other one. E is at which position? E is at 5. F, E, F is at 6. E, F, G, H. G, H means 8. E, F, G, H. I, J, K, 11. Okay. Now you see their difference 1, their difference 2, their difference 3. Now what will be the difference? Will be 4. That means plus 4. That means the 15th position. Which one is at the 15th position? Is that 13, 14, 15? O. QO. What options do we have with QO? QO, let's check for QO. So QO, we have only a single answer, QO over here. It's not QO. So one will be our answer. Let's turn a postmortem it. Let's turn at a cipher for the third letter as well. But we may or may not do it in the examination or from the next question onwards. Okay. G is at this position. G, H, and I is at 9th position. Okay. So what we see that the gap is 2, the gap is 3, the gap is 2. So most probably over here the gap will be 2 or 3. Okay, I. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so I, then J, K or L. K or L should be your answer. K or L should be your answer, right? Not even K, because there is series 2, 3, 2, 3. This series is happening, is coming over here. So most probably we'll have I, the position of I, which is basically your GHI, is 9 plus 3, which means your 12th position. What is the 12th position? Is your L. So QOL. Right, guys? What is your answer? A. Cool. Shall we move? Shall we move, guys? Anybody? I don't think you guys have any doubt, because those who have doubts, they don't join the class. Yeah. 1, 2, 4. What did I tell you? EJOTY. Do not reference the previous one. Do not reference this. Just now let's practice with EJOTY. Okay. 5, 10. E, F, G, H, I. E, F, G. Right? So this is at what position? 6. And E, G. Okay, C. Cool. Just wait a second, buddy. G and then P. P is at G, H, I, J. G, 7, 8, I, G, H, I, J. 7, 8, 9, 10. So G is at 7th position. Sorry, guys. Okay. Hell yeah. What the? Yeah. So let's say G is at your 7th position. Let's keep it like this. Okay. So basically what is happening over here is that 1, 2, 3. So next over which one is there? What will be the position? 11. So what is the position next to 11? J. What is the next to K? K will have your position as 11. Okay. So we'll conclude that K is your answer. Sorry guys. Here's the question of 49. Yeah. Think in terms of alternates. W, okay, X, Y, Z, okay, T, U,
Option A, sir.
W. Okay, thank you so much.
Option A, sir.
Yes. Then P, Q, R, S, T, okay. And then what? M, N, O, P. If we put over here N, in this second what? N, M, N, OP, and then Q, it completes the series. So the first one will be your N. I mean the second one. Sorry, this one. Yeah. I need to be gentle with my eraser. This is what, that is why it's behaving like that. So this is N. If you put N over here, M, N, O, P, Q, right? So the first is N, then what is that? S, T, E, J, O, T, Y, E, J, O, T, Y. Okay, this is what? S, T. S, T. T is 20. That means S is your 19, right? Okay. So 19 and again over here O, E, J, O. O is your 15th. So basically after 19th, it will go up till 26th. Okay, up till 26th. So 6, 20, 7 plus 15. Okay, that means from S, it is moving to 22 places. From S moved to 22 places, then it became O, right? So O is at which position? E, J, O. O is at 15th position. So 26 are remaining. 16 to 26. How many numbers are there? Okay, there are 11 numbers. Cool. And how many more we need? 11 more. So how much is that? S, O, E, J, I, J, K. So J, that means after alphabet, after A, this will be the 11th number. What is the 11th number over here? What did I tell you? 10th is J. So 11th will be K, right? So basically the alternate ones, these are moving by 22, right? Right now. Okay. Now it is at 11th place. So that means up till 26 Z. How many numbers are there? From 12 to 26. How to find how many numbers are there between this and this? Okay. You do upper limit minus lower limit plus 1. This is how you do it. Okay. So how much is that? 1, 4, 14, 15. We need 7 more. What is the 7th one? Okay. 7th one is your G. Right? E, F, F is your 6 and G is your 7. So this is your 7th one. 7 plus again 22. Okay, that means 29. 26th, up till 26th, your Z will be over. 27, 28, 29. Which one remaining? A, B, C, 29. What is the answer, guys? We came C. Okay. So basically, whichever is the answer, D or C, what is happening over here is that every alternate numbers are plus 22, right? Plus 22. Okay. Right.
So they also minus by 3, sir.
Yes, they're also minus by 3. A, E, F, G. Okay. So S, that's what I was also thinking, because generally you won't have this much big numbers, right? Am I visible? Am I audible, guys? Lights
Yes,
went
sir.
off. Okay. Thank God, thanks to my power backup. Yeah. Let me erase it. Yeah. So we concluded that your first one is N, right? And over here, It's in the backward direction as well. Okay, what did I tell you? LGB. Okay, what was that, yeah, guys? Yeah. LGVBQ. Yeah, LGVBQ. LGVBQ. Sorry, BQ will come front. LGVBQ. Okay. So this is your
I think LGBBQ, sir. LGBBQ.
LG
B, then BQ.
BQ. Yeah. Yes, guys. One moment. Sometimes you have problem in, the from the other side. Okay. LGB and VQ. Yeah, that's all. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay. S, as suggested by our friends, O, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Okay. K, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Okay. 3 letters. And G over here, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay. So if we put C, D, E, F, D. Okay. So what will be our answer, guys? N, C. Okay. So the one who answered as A, please do it carefully. All these silly mistakes happen, and this silly mistake will cost you -4 marks. I hope you are getting. Okay. Despite the fact that you know it, this is why they test you this type of question, so that you make mistakes, right? So guys, look, even if you say +22 or -3, both essentially means same, right, guys? Both essentially mean same, because A to Z, it's series after 26th. Again, it will repeat. Instead of A as 1, we look at A as 27. Are you guys getting? Right. So as long as it is in series, the only good thing was that if you know it from the reverse side, okay, if it striked you at that point of time, you will easily leverage it. You will not spend that much of time that I spent over here. Right. So what option we'll go ahead with? B. Yes, Aryan.
Nothing, sir. Nothing.
Okay. Thank you so much. So yeah, buddy. So we need to do it carefully. So sort of questions, a few silly mistakes will happen. And that is what you need to avoid. Because instead of getting +3, you will get -4. Okay. So instead of getting +3, you will be getting -4. So essentially losing 7 marks. Okay. You should have got +4, but you not only did the questions wrongly, but also earned a negative mark for yourself. So you went back by 7 marks, not 3 marks. Right? Think it that way. Yes, guys. Next question. Let's try to put it EJOTY.
Option A, sir.
Sorry.
Option A, sir.
Option A. Okay, we'll evaluate that. You are saying, okay. BCD, it's in series. LMN, it's in series. R,
Sir, it's R, sir. C.
it's R. Okay, I like the dispute. MNO, PQR, PQR. Okay, PQR.
Sir, option C, sir.
Yeah, that's why it will be RST from the reverse side. RST. Anybody who did not get it, guys? Okay. So basically over here in the first and third, whenever there is an odd number series, okay, thank God they did not ask you what will be here, the three alphabets. So it could have got a little bit cumbersome. Okay, maybe not cumbersome. We would have deciphered, okay, what is the difference between B and L? Then we would have concluded the difference between the first letter of these three over here and then the next two. Okay. So the first two B, C, D, this one and this one. These two are like, in this side, from the left-hand side, from the correct order. Okay. B, C, D, L, M, N. And for this one and this one, the alphabet is from the opposite side. P, Q, R, and R, S, T. Okay. P, Q, R, and R, S, T. Right, guys? So you go ahead with option number C, R as your answer. Yes, guys. Easy one.
Sir, 19.
Yeah, absolutely. Anybody who does not know plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, everybody knows it. Okay. Let's move to the next question.
21, sir.
21, sir.
Difference is 1, difference is 2, difference is 3, 4, 5. Then the difference is your 6, 21 is your answer. Okay. Difference is 2, difference is 4, then difference is 2, then again difference is 4. What will be the difference, guys?
22. B.
Right. Anybody who is not getting, please stop me then and there itself. Okay. Yes, guys. Question number 87. Looks a little interesting.
Sir, 25. C.
Okay, 25. So 22, 23, 24, 25.
-1 +2 series.
Yeah, absolutely. You can look it in that perspective, or you can also look at like a alternator increasing by 1. Okay. You can also look it in that perspective. As you told, like plus 22 or minus 3. Both are
Sir,
pretty much.
88. B. 14.
Yeah. We are
Okay.
coming to that question. Yeah. So, yeah. So 88. Yeah. So what will be your answer? 25. 88. Yes, Aryan. What is the answer for 88?
Sir, B.
B. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. So the first two are same, next two are same, next two are same. What is the difference between 50 and 40? That is 13. Again, what is the difference between 40 and 27? 13. Again, what would be the difference between 27 and 13? That is 14. And again, the next number will also be 14. So we'll go ahead with 88, 14. Anybody? One moment. Yes, every one of you. Mateshwar, Vishnu, is it cool to you all?
Yes,
Very-
sir.
All good, no? It's easy. It's very easy. See how easy it is. So, yes, guys. What is the answer for this?
34.
Yep. Absolutely, 34. Plus 6, that's it. Okay. Right. And alternate
90.
numbers are remaining the same. Right. Yes, Aryan, you know it, buddy. I know. We need to go together. Had it been just a one-player game, you would have won. But then we are a team over here.
Sorry, sir.
No problem. Okay. So 28 plus 6, 34. Okay. The next one is also an easy one. Okay. Again, what is the difference? Over here, the difference is your 2, then 5, then 2, then again 5, then again the difference will be 2, right? 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5. That's the difference it's going. So over here, what's your answer? 15. Okay. But guys, please be watch out. Okay, these series questions, they make it complicated by those 3, 4 levels. Okay. Level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay. You will basically see the level 3 one. Okay. So from then on, it gets little dicey. Okay. So we thankfully you don't have much of a tougher questions in over here. Okay. So say thanks. Yes, guys. This question I have taken from your model paper. Okay. And model paper, one disclaimer, the model paper, the LOD, the level of difficulty in your actual examination will be a notch higher. a notch higher than your model test paper. This is only to give you some sort of, some sort of brush through it, like what you might.
Option yes, sir.
Yes, Pari, absolutely, that's correct. Yeah. Yes, Aryan.
Option A, sir.
Option A only, sir.
Yes. All cool. What is basically happening? This, and this is being multiplied. You must be able to think 32 into 3, 96. Okay. This is what is required. That's it. Okay. 18 square. If you by any chance, if you have known that 18 square is 324 and you see the 2 and 9 are there, that means you can think from that perspective as well. Okay. 82, 24, 20 into 4, that is 80. 80 into 15, how much there? Okay, 800 plus 400, that is 1200, right? Okay, so 800 into 15 when you do, okay, one moment, buddy. Yeah, buddy. So, what is this? Like, think it in terms of people do. I have also spoken about this, that people try to think that 15 into 800. Okay, 15 into 800. Yes, that way also you will get 1200. But then mold yourself to think it in this perspective. 80 into 10 plus 800 into 5. Okay. So what generally happens when we do multiplication and all, we do, let's say we try to process, let's say 85 into, let's say 95. Okay. So people try to process it with like this, okay, 85, 95, and then the unit digits. They start with unit digits. Okay. This is basically nothing but 85 into 100 minus 5. Sorry for digressing, little bit of speed math over here. Okay. This is also the same. So can we think it in terms of 8500 minus 85 into 5? Okay. Right now, this makes the calculation damn easier, much more easier than, going ahead with the traditional way of doing, okay, 85 into 95. Okay. Cool. So 1200 is your answer. Let's move to the next one. Yes. Again, easy one.
30.
Yeah. 1,
30.
3, 4, 5. 30 is your answer. Okay. There was no point of making all these triangles. I don't know why the hell they created all these triangle. They just wanted to make it a little bit funny. So that could have been the case. So anyways, let's respect their point of view as well. Okay. And say thanks. Okay. You don't have to be doubtful. How can this question be this easy? No. Don't be doubtful. There are some sitter questions. A majority of the questions are sitters only. Okay. And by just doing the sitter questions alone, you can pass the examinations. And this is what I've been telling to all of you. Okay. Getting 150 marks in this examination is not that tough. Okay. Yes, guys. This one. Think like this. Okay. B for beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll evaluate that. Just
Then was option D. D, sir.
okay. We'll evaluate that. So B or D?
Delta, sir.
E for delta. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else? Think like this. Think like this. First think this way and then think for the outer triangle. Okay, let me draw the arrow a little bit more legibly. Yeah. Think it this way. First like this and this, then move like this. Okay. Yes, guys. What do you think? B or D? A and C for sure is not going to be your answer. Okay. Yes, Paris. Quick, guys. I'm hungry. I want to go out and eat some food. Finish it off fast. Yes, guys. Distributing our. Yes. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. What do you guys think about it? Are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What do you guys think about this? Look carefully. When you look carefully over here. So 5 to 10, 2 times, 10 to 20, 2 times, right? And outside what is happening? 25 to 100 4 times. Okay, 100 to 4 times. That is 400. This is why we'll go ahead with option number 4. Now you will ask me why not 25 divided by 4? Because the answer option is not there. Right? Okay. And why not 200? Because outside it is going into 4 series. Inside it is going into 2 series. Okay. The difference with this, I might have put this into miscellaneous one as well, but I wanted to put it in the series only. Right? So the difference is that they want you to think little laterally. Okay. Since ages we have done this series question. Okay, everyone has done this type of series question. Okay, right. So they just want to make it little bit more twisted, just to derail you. That's it, nothing else. Okay. So which option will go ahead with? 400. Cool, guys. Last question for the day. Not that tough. And yeah, easy only. What do you guys think about it? Want me to zoom it? I hope it is visible for you all. Yeah. Yes, guys, easy one. This is where your practice comes to rescue, guys. Okay. This is where pick up some source from XYZ source. If you are weak into this, pick up.
58, sir.
Yeah. We'll evaluate that. Thank you so much for your answer. We'll look into it. Okay. So apart from the many of the series that I told you, addition, subtraction, square root, cube root, and this and that, plus, minus, there can be some other type as well over here. Look, into 2 plus 1. Okay. Into 2 plus 2. Right. Into 2 plus 3. Right. So, into 2 plus 4. What is 27 into 2? 54. Plus 4. What is the answer? 58. Okay. So, 58 is your answer. So, please be watchful about these sort of questions as well. Wherein you will be required, you might have to think into 4 plus or minus 1 or things like that. Or then the next one will be into 4 plus or minus 2 into 4 plus or minus 2. Okay. Or it can also be like, plus 1 plus or minus some number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 2, 3, something like that. Okay. Be open for thinking in that perspective as well. Right, guys? Right? 2 questions. Most probably you'll get 2 questions, or at least 1 for sure in an AFCAT examination. Make sure that if you get 1 question, you get plus 3. If you get 2 questions in an examination, make sure that you get plus 6. Okay. Don't get minus 4 and minus 8. Okay. You know what I mean. Right, guys? So thank you so much for joining.